How to fix lag, dropped frames, and stuttering on OBS Studio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, simply what you need to do is make sure that you have the latest version of OBS Studio application on your device. Next, make a long press on the application and then tap on App Info. This will lead us to a new page where you can just scroll down and tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and you can delete all data if it's possible. If not, you can just clear the cache. Here I'm going to delete all data. Next, tap on the app permissions option and then make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After checking on that, you can just go and search for the relaunching this application. If this does not solve the issue, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might as well help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.